Welcome back! For today's video I'm going to show you 5 ways to fold your skirts. So let's start out with the simplest one. So we're going to place the skirt with the front side facing up like this, and then from here, from side to side, we're folding the skirt in half. Now from here we're going to split the skirt into 3 parts, and I'm going to start from the waist and fold it down 1/3 of the way and then 1/3 of the way again. This is the simplest and easiest way to fold your skirts. You can stack them on top of each other like this. I don't like this one a lot because I don't think it's as organized as some of these other methods that I'm about to show you. Let me show you a cool alternative here first of all. So again, with the front side of the skirt sticking up, we're folding it from the side 1/3 of the way, and then we're folding over the other side as well, completely overlapping this side. From here we're splitting the skirt in half and folding it down all the way. Now from here splitting in half again, and ta-da! From here you can actually stand the skirt up like this, and this is great for placing stacked next to each other in your dresser. And I like this one a lot, but an alternative that you can do on this one that's pretty cool, let me show you here. So again, let's just start with the skirt laying out flat like this and folding it in 1/3 of the way from one side, 1/3 from the other side. And then from here I'm going to split the skirt in the middle here, and I'm going to fold the end up 1/4 of the way. The other end I'm going to fold also up 1/4 of the way so that they meet here in the middle. Now from here you can do something cool, and that is to lift up the 2 layers, or just one of them, up to you really. And you can stuff this end inside here. Now what this will do is to lock the entire thing in place. So you can bring this if you're going out traveling, if you just like to have some more structure when you place them in your dresser. This is a fantastic alternative. Just be aware that it wears a little bit more on your waistband of the skirt. Let's do a roll. This roll is if you want to avoid creases completely, or to the biggest degree possible. Of course you can just roll it up without folding it. That will of course be even more crease resistant, but I'm going to fold it in half from side to side here, and then I'm just going to even it out, make sure that all the creases are out. And from the waist again, we're very gently rolling it down. So this is great if you have like business skirts or some skirts that just really easily will crease up, or if they're very delicate. This is also a fantastic option. Just be aware that you're gonna have to lay them down like this. You can't really stand them up. So let's move on to the best method if you like to travel, if you like rolls. You know me, I do rolls. By the way, I have a cheat sheet for this fold. You can get it at organizing.tv/free, step by step with illustrations on how to do this fold there. So yeah, what we're going to do here is that we're going to start by folding up the bottom of the skirt, and we're going to fold down the bottom, let's say 5 inches. So if you have a longer or thicker skirt, you may want to make this 7 inches. If you have a very skinny or short skirt, you can make this shorter. Anyway, moving on here. From side to side now we're going to fold it in 1/3 of the way on both sides. You can also fold it in 1/4 of the way if you want a wider roll, but I think 1/3 is good for skirts. So from the waist, again, we're folding it, rolling it all the way down to the bottom like this. Once you reach the bottom, turn it up like this, and then we're going to wrap this around the entire thing. I like to do one side at a time so it doesn't unravel. So again, repeating the process on this side, and there you have it. You can kind of adjust it, give it a little bit of a massage here, and if you want to flatten the bottom if it doesn't stand up on its own. This is great for travel if you want to save a lot of space. Obviously you don't want to do this with your skirts that crease up a lot, but for like regular skirts, ones that stretch a little bit, this is fantastic. I also want to show you how to hang the skirts properly here, since we're already doing this. The very easiest way to hang a skirt is to just pull it through the hanger at the bottom and lift it up. Now, one thing that you want to note when you're hanging your skirts is that you don't want it to start kind of piling here. So if your skirt is too big and you can't adjust it by like lifting it further down, I'm going to show you that something that's much better and will cause less creases. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold the skirt in half, and then we hang it on the hanger. This is going to help a lot with the creases. Over time especially, this is a fantastic option. You can also use clamps if you have that. I don't at the moment, so you'll have to imagine that. But in that case you would just, you know, clamp it on like this. If you want to see a lot more organizing tips, I made this huge video here that basically teaches you how to take your wardrobe from whatever state that is in now, even if it is a little bit of a mess, and we turn it into a neat, organized system for you through that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over in that video.